Welcome! In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enhance your online courses with Flixeer. On top of the regular editing functions like cutting, trimming, and cropping, Flixeer also has a number of other features that you can use to make your online courses more engaging and enhance your viewers' learning experience. For starters, you can use Flixeer to insert images into your videos. These can be illustrations or diagrams that support your point and make it easier for students to understand the topic being discussed. You can either upload your own pictures or take advantage of our library of free, high-quality stock images to find the exact thing you need. Our intuitive interface makes it easy to add these elements to your course. Just drag them over from your library onto the canvas and position them wherever you want. Then use the timeline at the bottom of the screen to control when you want your images to appear and how long you want them to stay on screen for. You don't have to limit yourself to images though. Flixeer also offers an extensive shapes library that you can access and use to aid visual learners. Shapes can be inserted into your video in a similar manner to images, and they can be extensively customized using the Object Inspector menu on the right side of the screen. You can also overlap these shapes and use them to create diagrams or other such graphical elements. When you're done adding your shapes and images, you can even caption them using our intuitive text editor. Just go to the text menu on the left, click on Add Simple Text, and then customize it to your heart's content using the wealth of options available in the Object Inspector menu. By default, Flixeer gives you access to over 1,000 fonts from the Google Fonts library, but you can also upload your own fonts if you want to customize your video even further. From the text menu, you can also add subtitles using an intuitive visual interface. Doing this will make your courses more accessible and help you reach a wider audience. If you want more details about Flixeer's subtitle system, you can check out the video we made about it a while back by clicking the card on the top right corner of this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, then please consider giving it a like. If you want to see more videos like this and stay up to date on the latest Flixeer features, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Twitter.